Okay, here we have a Crystal Castles with the sprites are missing every other line. As you can see here, they're missing every other line. Looks like some really bad scan lines, but it's actually not. It's literally missing lines. Actually, they might look good because it's an LCD, but switch to the game. Reset it here. Now, here's what it should look like. This one was an easy fix because I've seen this problem before. The sprites are drawn and they're stored line by line in each of these one line per RAM. So they were both socketed, which was easy, so I was just going to pull one at a time and see when the problem went away, and it pretty clear when I pulled this first one that was going to be the problem because the leg on that pin is completely broken. So